Can you get them with the background?
Yeah. Now they are on video. They are at the background of the mountain.
Are they?
Yeah.
You coming back over to see me? Daddy's the one feeding you, that's why. Huh?
They will come and eat those shells. Oh, it seems like they want to go into my kayak. Come on, guys.
Funny, talk about friendly, huh?
Yeah.
Really? Those are supposed to be wild ducks? Apparently we're not the first ones that fed them. Isn't that funny? Look, they cross over the sandbar instead of swimming.
No, they go and eat the shells.
I see it. You guys want to eat without the sun in your eyes, huh?
No, don't eat. I take those home.
This is crazy, man. Look at these things. Here, kids.
Honey, we can bring them home.
I would love to, sweetheart.
Yeah, grab the other one. They're not going anywhere.
I'm not. I'm just let them be.
They can watch TV too. It's like Spike.
Yeah, they can. Well, we made a couple friends, sweetheart.
Where is the naked people? Oh, they get dressed already.